Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I'm going to ask you please to subscribe and to also give me a thumbs up or thumbs down on this video and also comment below because it does help the video get into the algorithm, whatever. Do I really believe this? I don't know, but a lot of people say it, so I thought I would say it. I forget to ask y'all to do that. So I really would like to get to 2,000 and I'm getting close. So if y'all would subscribe and if you like me, share me out to your friends. Anyway, this is my treasure trove giveaway. And y'all, last weekend was when it was due. It was when it ended. And I just was overloaded, under the water, whatever you want to say. Last weekend was not a good weekend for me. So I'm finally doing it and I apologize for being late. So because I've done that, I have picked 2 winners this time. So the treasure trove giveaway is fairly simple. It can sound a little complicated, but if you have any questions, just ask me. How it works is I will show you 3 groupings of gifts. And I will pull a name with a comment picker and that person will win their first choice. So I'll show you group 1, group 2, group 3, and then you will put in order of how you would like to win them. And I'll show you what that'll mean here shortly because I picked 2 people. So I'll show you how it's gonna work, how they're gonna win. And this is a smaller giveaway. It's on the smaller side, although I have been making it a little bit bigger. And it runs for about a month. And, you know, I did not look at the calendar. Oh goodness, today is, what is today? July 30. So around August 30, whatever that weekend is before is when I should end it, if I remember. Hopefully I will. I'll put the date in my description. Always is when you open the description at the top, there's hashtags, which is supposed to help your video. And then there is all kinds of stuff about me. So like my Rakuten information, if you want to join Rakuten, my wish list from Amazon and things like that. You all don't have to do not one thing for me. I love y'all just being here, but it's in there in case somebody wanted to. There's just stuff like that. So please don't be offended by all that. Then there's all the listings of all the boxes and things that I get and companies that have given me codes that will save you money. That type of thing is in there. And I try to keep a good watch on that. If I end up not having something for a while, then I'll take it off of there or whatever. And then down at the bottom is my giveaway rules. And then below that is my address. So it's all in there, most every video. And like I'm an affiliate for Dashing Diva. I was an affiliate for Face Story, but they sent me an email that didn't make sense and they haven't answered me. So I don't know if I'm an affiliate for them anymore, but that's okay. I mean, you know, it's okay. So the way this works is you have to be 18 years or older, just because that's what we have to say. YouTube is not involved with this at all. Everything you will get from me is mine that I bought with my own money. I may have received it as a gift from a company, but if that's the case, you will I've already done a video about it. And let's see, when I put it in the mail, I'll get a tracking number. If it's lost or stolen, I'm not responsible. If you have any allergic reaction to anything, I'm not responsible. Please test before you do that, before you try anything. There's other kinds of rules, and they're in the description, so check them out. And for this particular giveaway, because I have several friends that are not publicly subscribed and they don't want to be because of their business or whatever, they don't want people to see who they're subscribed to. I can understand that. You do not have to be publicly subscribed for this giveaway, which means then I have to have a relationship with you. So I know some people are shy. So even if you say, hey, once in a while, I know your name. I will remember your name. So just say hey to me and then tell me the order of how you want things. You can say more than that. You can ask questions. You can do whatever you want, but do that, okay? So my winners. My first winner is Unboxings with Wendy Jean. She won and she chose group number 1. So I will be sending that to Wendy Jean. Wendy, please comment below that you heard this. And I chose another winner. A lot of times when I choose a channel, I'll choose another winner just to be like fair. I try to be real fair about that. Wendy Jean, I will tell you, I had like 6 items in there. One thing I can't find. I think, y'all, I can't tell you how I'm better, but I was so frazzled for a little while. I have stuff in a box, and I think I opened that box and I took something out of it. Wendy Jean, so I'll get with you and just ask you what you like. Okay. All right. So Wendy Jean chose number 1 as her first choice. So she's the first winner. So she gets her first choice. So the second winner is Raspberry Beret. That's all one word. I don't know Raspberry Beret very well. So please comment here, Raspberry Beret, and send me an email or find me on Instagram, Mary Catherine Loves Cats at yahoo.com, Mary Catherine Loves Cats on Instagram, and tell me your address. Now, she chose number 1 as her first choice, number 3 as her second choice, and number 2 as her third choice. So since number 1 is taken, and I can't replace those items, especially since I stole one out of Wendy's bundle, I can give you some similar things or just give you a whole mystery. So get with me and we'll talk, okay? So that leaves me with bundle number 2 is going to remain the same. Where's bundle number 2? So I have to replace bundle number 1, and I have bundle number 2 is the same, and then bundle number 3 is a mystery. So you don't get to know what bundle number 3 is. So let's replace bundle number 1 right now. Okay, so I went a little lip crazy on this one. I have an e.l.f. lippy. This is Seriously Satin. It's in the color Taffy, so it's the ring light catches all the color on there. Sorry about that. It's rather neutral. Oh, there it is. Very pretty. I think most every skin tone can handle this color. And this lippy, this component is so pretty. It's lucite, so it's completely clear. So you can see the full bullet in there. So you can tell when you're getting low. And e.l.f. cosmetics are very reasonable, and they're very, very nice cosmetics. So because all right, lippy, number 1. Then I have this Allure Beauty brand. These are lip liners. These are, you can see they're together, so I'm not going to open it up. I'll leave them together. But they're beautiful lip liners. And, you know, they'll go with these lippies and with a light and a dark. Very pretty. I've had this set before. I can't remember where I got this, what box I got this in, but I've gotten it before and I like them. I have them. Do I have them right here? I have been using them. So they're very, very nice. And these are the kind I believe it's a plastic, but you do sharpen them. Is it plastic? I think it's plastic. Okay. And then I have this beautiful lippy. This is by the brand Real Her. And this is called Girl Power. Gorgeous, gorgeous component there. And this is also a rather neutral color. Very, very pretty. And then we have this. This is so cool. I'm not into lip plumpers, but I know a lot of y'all are. This is Essence brand, Make Beauty Fun. And look at that, how gorgeous that is. I hope you can see that. Oh my goodness, the ring light. If I turn the ring light off, I don't think it helps much. So you still get a glare from the overhead lights. I look a wreck. It's so hot here. The air conditioning's on, but I am sweltering. But can you see how that goes from like a light peach to a purple, a lilac, and then there's sparkles like crazy in here. So this is just a topper. It isn't gonna have any color to it, even though it looks like, you know, it's colored, but it'll go great on any of these lipsticks. It'll go great on top of. It's a plumping lip gloss. It says plumping. So that is beautiful. I just think it's so pretty, but I'm not going to use it, so I thought I should pass it on to somebody. And then I have this fun thing. This is from ColourPop. I have 2 products from ColourPop. This is the Lizzie McGuire. This is the lippy scrub, they call it, in bubblegum. So this is, I'm pretty sure it's sealed. Look at how pretty that is. It is, you know, a sugar lip scrub. And there's Lizzie McGuire on there. And see, when you open it, it has this little lift off lid thing, and then you can use a little scoop, you can use your finger, and you'll be able to get your lipsticks and your lip liners off. And I can't really smell it because of that. Yeah, a little bit. It smells like bubble gum. So it's super cute, and a nice tub. That's a full size. And then I also have another Lizzie McGuire item. I have this really cute blush. This is Color Pop again, and it is, let me show you. It says Delish Pressed Powder Blush. Look at the packaging. How cute is Color Pop? They are just adorable. And there's cute little Lizzie McGuire. And inside there is a mirror on one side. And then look at how pretty. Let me put this over it so you can see it. It's a light pink with sparkles in it. Little sparkles. Not, you know, it's not going to be offensive. But can you see the flowers pressed in? It might be difficult to see that. But it's super cute. Super duper cute. And then one more item for this set. And this is number 1. And whoops, the last item is, well, I can't get that back in there right at the moment. Okay, is this. This is the After Spa brand, and these are exfoliating gloves. So actually, is it 1 or is there 2 in there? It says gloves, but then yeah, there's 2 in there. So how you use these, you know, it's like for exfoliating your skin, but it's supposed to help with cellulite. It's very much, the texture of it, I've had these before, is very much like using a sponge gel. So you put your own soap, your own shower gel on and scrub. And so you can use one at a time, or you can use them both if you want to. What I like to do with stuff like this to make it last longer, these last a long time, you can wash them, but they won't last forever, is you use one, and then when that one, you know, after a couple of months, whenever you want to toss it out, you'll use the other one. And it's not like they're seamed. You know, you can use one on the same hand if you always, you know what I mean, with your shower gel. So that is group number 1. This is getting very long, and it's all this beautiful stuff, all this stuff. That's group number 1, okay? And then group number 2 is the same as it was. We'll go quickly through it since it's the same as it has been. I don't think anyone's picked it in a while. e.l.f. Baked Highlight and Blush. This is the duo, the Rose Gold. Then we have the Seriously Satin Lippy in Cherry. We have the cute little triple acid resurfacing serum. This is cute. It's a little dropper bottle. The e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara. And this one also has an exfoliator. This is the lip exfoliator in e.l.f. Mint Maniac. So it looks like a bullet lippy, but it is a sugar scrub. So I'm using one of these right now, actually. A different brand, but same thing. And then the wonderful Borghese Advanced Fango Active Mud. This is face and body mud. Wonderful stuff. That's group number 2. And then group number 3 is a mystery. So I don't have anything in here right now, but I usually hold up a bag to show you it's a mystery. So in order of how you'd like to win these, if you love the Lizzie McGuire stuff and the lippies, if you love the Borghese, if you love just being surprised, pick what order you want to put that in and put that below, okay? Congratulate our winners. Unboxings with Wendy Jean. Please go see her. I'll have her in the description below. She's doing great with her channel. Her channel is growing, and she unboxes all kinds of wonderful things. And she's just a delightful, delightful person. She went to Ireland recently with her husband for their anniversary, and she has a video with that. She showed us pictures while she was gone. She brought me back some gifts with Flanagan. That's my last name on them. Very, very sweet. Very, very nice. Thank you, Wendy. And Raspberry Beret is our second winner. And so y'all, you winners, get with me, and y'all please congratulate the winners, and everybody have a fantastic weekend. It's Sunday. Have a great weekend. And if you want to know the date that this ends, look in the description, but don't count on it all the time. I'm going to try, because I got really bad there for a while, and I've been better, but not this month. So I want to end it toward the end of the month, because I don't want it to lag into the next month. So there you go. Thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see y'all. Bye-bye.